How to obtain leads within seconds by using a tool called Flowchat. I'm going to show you guys this tool that I've been using for the past 2 years. I've been kind of off and on with it because doing my own little personal things I got going on, but you'll be able to message, able to gain leads, and able to go through a simple flow pipeline to message your people, not just with copy paste and all that, but I'm going to show you right about now. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get to it. Let me share my screen. Okay, so we got this tool called Flowchat. So this is Flowchat right here. Okay, so this is Flowchat. You guys, if you ever get into this, you may not see a lot of this right here, but yeah. So these are the courses that I have with this when I got it Flowchat. But this is what you're gonna do. So these are the little pipelines tools that I have. I got so many freaking pipelines. I'm gonna have to delete some, but that's because I got coaching we have weekly strategy calls. So what I'm gonna start off is the ride share Facebook group pipeline call. Okay, some things may change. So as you can see, I'm gonna go right here. Okay, so let's see if actually, let me go ahead and stop the screen recording real quick and let me go to this. Let me go ahead and screen record again. Make sure I get every freaking thing. It's probably gonna be weird. Actually, let me do this then. Let me do this. We're going to do flow chat right here. So we're going to do flow chat. Let me hide this because I don't want you guys to see my emails from another. Dang, oop, my bad. I mean, freaking flies in my room. But yeah. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to flow chat again. So this is flow chat right over here. Okay. So we're going to go to so as you can see, I'm gonna go to flow chat. We're gonna go to the ride share because I have a Facebook group. I haven't really purchased been using this Facebook group, but as you can see, you see this pipeline right here, right? So as you guys can see, literally I can use Zapier. There's many other like tools. I also have this extension right here, which is you can see Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, many other social platforms. I won't be surprised when they get threads as well, when that threads come up. But I want to show you guys something. So I'm going to go ahead and go through Facebook right here, right? I'm going to go through my Facebook profile. Okay. So we're going to go to my Facebook profile. As you can see, there's something going on. There's one of my, you can see all these freaking, what's his name? Yeah, all the, extensions that I got. So something's conflicting, but that's all right. There's a way for me to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and go to, let's go to just particular for this group right here. That's all I want to go to, California and Uber driver, right? So you're cruising along, jamming and your tunes, blah, 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 right? So you can see, look, I can literally import posts right here. This is new. This is a new little something. So I can import this post and it will be right in my post. See my post right here. So I'm going to go back. But boom, you see? So literally I can go ahead and see who's in the comment section and all this and what's recording also, and always come back to it. So see, you can see I can open it, bam, right there. Okay. So I can always save these. This is actually very useful to actually do this because I remember before the time was kind of a little difficult, but I'm gonna go back right here. Okay. So you guys are gonna see something. So you can literally go to members group right here. Okay. You see this right here. You see, start scrolling. So I have all this right here and I can start importing. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to basically in seconds, man. So I can literally get a whole bunch of leads, 500 leads, 10,000 leads. Well, not 10,000, but 1,000 leads within seconds. So as you can see, hundreds, we're in the hundreds right now. So I can sit here and wait, include, but I don't want to do too much. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to stop. I'm going to import. You're going to see the import button. And for some reason, yeah, I don't know what's going on with mine, but for some reason, it won't let me do it. Let me go to add new group to CRM. Oh yeah, I can add groups to CRM, to my CRM, Flowchat CRM. But we're going to go, let me see, we're going to go to, oh yeah, let me go, Uber, add group to favorites, and bow. Okay, we're going to add the group. All right, so, and I'm not sure why my pipeline says, and it says when importing in the system will check. So you could see that. I'm going to do this real quick. But for some reason, it's not letting me. I don't know why. I've been having difficulties with that. But I could probably go into there will be California. Let me do this. California. I want to look California because I live in California, Los Angeles. Uber and Lyft drivers. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm not sure exactly why. So I could put at the value of each deal. I can color code it, but for some reason it's not letting me. But I am going to import anyway. It's all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and import this. I got to figure out why it's doing that, but it's all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and import this. You know, it's gonna load up. Man, it's in seconds and minutes, man. Like literally like 200. Okay. I probably already have some in here. I'm gonna check. Oh, okay. So yeah, I already had some. 3 was already in here. So we got 214 leads that's imported. So I'm gonna go back to Flowchat and I'm gonna go to my let me see my leads. Okay, we're gonna go to my leads, and as you can see, I got some leads right here already. I'm gonna add to let me go to source. Actually, nah. We're gonna go to Uber. Not California. It's probably because something's going, yeah, I got some conflicting. So I think that's the reason why I'm doing it. I got a white label that's conflicting with it. So we can go ahead, apply. And yeah, so with all these, I should be able to, we got 200. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go to page. Let me see, 200. Actually, let me see something real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Yeah, see, I keep, for some reason, it's keep doing that. I got to figure out why it's doing that. It's probably one of these extensions, that stuff that's going on. And as you can see, boom, right here, right? So I can literally have a question. So if I want, I won't do that. But see, I can literally start adding people into my into my CRM with Facebook. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to see add lists. We're going to go, there's many ways to do it. I got to figure out why it's doing that. But we're going to go to, let me see. I should have done actually. Let's do the ride share. Okay. We're going to go lead in. And are you sure you want 200? Yes. I can literally just add these all the way. Lead in. So all 228 right up in here. Many ways to do it, man. So it's loading up. Boom. Okay. So we're going to go back. I'm going to go back to there. And I'm going to show you guys something real quick. So this is good for prospecting. So this could be notes right here. See all these with notes and stuff right here. You can have notes for your team. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and do something like this. Okay. So I want to see. So you can see, like, go ahead, lead. If it qualifies it, I'll move them over there. Okay. So for instance, you know, if this is the type of person I want to work with, okay. If this person I want to work with, do I want to work with him? If there's something I want to work with, no, okay. Or you can just keep going, okay. So you can open up about 10 of them at a time, see what's going on. So this person's not active on Facebook, so I can go ahead and just do not contact and keep on moving. You know, it does. Those are pretty late. So Ezra, California, I don't know. I'll probably butcher that whole freaking thing right here, right? So is this a person who I want to work with, who I want to serve with a ride share marketer? They're probably in there. They're probably not. They're probably in there for some other reasons, but I cannot see. So this is a little, but the post is actually a little, can work with another little strategy we can work with. So I'm just giving you guys what it can do right here. So even with this, okay, this person, you know, not active, right? So I can go ahead. Okay, let me go ahead. Do not contact, you know. So I don't have to be just spamming. I don't want to spam a whole bunch of people. Okay. Is this person I want to work with? Okay. Let me see. This is person I want to work with. So what I can do, say for instance, I'm gonna do this for an example. For some reason, I don't know why it's not having me logged in. Okay. Boom. We're going to hit apply. and back. It's not doing it for some reason, but I already got to import it in here. I got something I got going on with my, actually, I don't need this one anymore. I'm not using, remove from Brave. I'm not using Nutshell anymore. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to say, for instance, like, let me see, we got one of these, right? Let me see. These are qualified, right? Qualifying them. You know, I can actually just move them over like this. Okay, just move them over. I could just go ahead. See, you can go ahead and move them over, but like this person, right? So with this, you know, I'm going to go ahead. I already got to see it works right here. So I got them already imported. This one's San Pedro, California. So they live in this person live in Los Angeles, California. So what I can do, let me see if they're a good fit. I'm just going to do this as an example. Okay, so I can go ahead and add them, right? Looks like you may not know this person. Yeah, okay, it happens, bro. Okay, so it's not going to let me with her, but it doesn't matter. I can go ahead and let me see if I have, go to Messenger right here. I got to figure out which extension that I have. Warning, flat chat detected in white label extension. Instead, that is conflicting with Flowchat. So something's going on here. Some white label. So I can go ahead. Boom. You see what I'm saying? It looks like, see, it looks like you drive Uber like me. So if I want to, because I already have the messaging, I'm going to show you guys some other stuff, how to do a pipeline right here. So this is my pipeline. We go to pipeline. So this is my messaging right here. So it looks like you drew Uber just like me. So this is, you know, I could say this, I could edit it, you know, or maybe not, you know. So as you can see, it's loading right here. So look, bow, you know, so this is not the copy right here that I have right here. So I have this copy right here and it goes to right here. Looks like, you know, I could send different messages assigned to right here. Here's my default message. And I can also go ahead and edit, make sure I'm editing and all that. I could use the same thing for posting on the comments and section and stuff like that. So I wanted to show you guys this. And yeah, for instance, I'm gonna do this for example. Saw you drive Uber like me. And I could probably go ahead and see if they have been active. And let me see. Let's go to the Uber trip right here. I mean, the Uber where I got their group at. And I can go ahead and search for them and see. Oh, something like that. Okay, see, left is pretty dangerous. That's why I got that's why I got this group right here. Let me see. Let me show y'all real quick. It is it's this group. This is my group. I've been stopped on a little hold. So as you can see, boom. Oh yeah, I can improve them. So I can also approve this person. No, you're allergic to money. No. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys this, and show y'all how what how's Flowchat is like and how you can use it for business in any other way that you can message people. Man, it's a good way to get your, you know, get your account in the algorithm. Don't do a whole bunch of start spamming people, okay? Because Facebook will block you from this. Okay, they got a message limit at a certain amount of time. So again, I can go right here, see if they done, you know, if they person any done anything. And same thing, I can go ahead, you know, same thing right here. You know, I can scroll down and you see I can import all that. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. But actually, let me just go ahead and just send this purpose. Let me see. For this particular reason, let me go back. And so this particular reason, I can just go ahead. I'm just going to pick another person actually. So I'm going to go see, look at their profile, do some prospecting real quick. Okay, who is this person I want to work with? You know, logistics, they in Florida now. You know, they're in Florida. So I'm going to go ahead and bag this out. Oops. I'm going to pick somebody else right here. So you don't need to get everybody. You don't need to be spamming people. When you do, yeah, it is copy and paste. But at the same time, what you can do, I can even do it right here too. See? So I can do it right here. Like, boom, you know, like you saw, and just, you know, I will edit it, do that, which is going to go on their requests, and I can just, boom, move them right over here. Okay, I can just do this right here. Let me go to Bobby real quick. Okay, I got to figure out what's going on with that. I think there's some white label, some stuff going on. So right here, right, message stats has not been reached yet. So I can go ahead and do this one, floating at the top, make, you know, just constantly following up. It's good to know because then it has a little process where, you know, you got to do this every single day. And I have been lacking on it, honestly, because I've been trying to figure out who I want to work with. But I decide who I want to work with. Let me go ahead and end this, though. But who I decide who I want to work with is basically people, basically artists who I want to work with. And also I want to work with I've been thinking about it. I also want to work with rideshare drivers, those who's in the gig economy and everything. I'll teach them learn business and high income earning skills. Same thing with helping artists, learning artists, teaching artists how to building marketing and sales skills. So that way they be able to thrive in their business, thrive as being an artist and increase their and build their brand. Okay. Because you as an artist is a business. You as an artist is a brand. Just think of Kanye West, Jay-Z, many of these type of different artists. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this tool that I use for my business called Flowchat. I will hope you guys talk to you soon. And make sure if you do want to know more about Flowchat, and what you could do is go down to the description below and go ahead and book your free call. Go ahead and book your free call, your demo call with Sean, and you'll be able to see a video with me as well. Okay. So make sure you go ahead and do that. And if anything else, I will give you guys some pipelines for free. Okay. We could share pipelines. That pipeline you just see, I can actually share that with you as well. Any other pipelines as well. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Folks, is not where we at. It's where we come from. Always create like a God. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe in so that way you can watch and see more of my videos. All right. Peace.